Welcome to the future A-frames on the hill. How it all started.
Somewhere in Nairobi, well, just outside of Nairobi. So we're checking out some land for possibilities of purchasing and building some Airbnbs, as well as our house that we would live in. So this is see if I can turn this thing on here.
So this is our land.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. On the mountaintop.
Yeah, so we bought an acre. You filming me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, so we bought an acre over here in this jungle. So so no, just joking, but yeah, beautiful mountaintop. I'm sure once Nika gets finished with it, everything will be beautiful. That's the boss. That's the boss man right there.
That's our new friend.
And a neighbor.
Our neighbor.
Yes, yes. So, if we decide which we need 2 acres, but when we get to that point, which way are we going? Are you going to add? Are you going to go an acre that way? Are you going to go an acre down? Okay, okay.
Now, you see, for whatever the vision is, 1 acre, if I listen to you guys correct, 1 acre might not be enough.
It may not.
Yeah.
But we will start off.
Yeah, with 1 acre.
Yes.
But then, as an incentive, I need like a big chunk.
Yeah.